I need you to step out. Yes.
You'll just have to wait a second.
No, I don't. It's not on your timing. It's on mine.
No, it's not, sir. I'm going to exit my vehicle.
Okay.
But you don't have permission to touch anything in my vehicle.
On July 17th, 2025, a deputy stopped a blue minivan for blowing a stop sign. The driver instantly denied the violation and refused to hand over her license, holding it up, then yanking it back when the deputy reached. After a string of no sir replies and zero cooperation, the deputy called for backup and a supervisor. Watch the video to know what actually happened.
Do you want me to talk to you?
I'm not. That's fine. I mean, he can look at the information, but
can you hand me your
no, sir. I don't. Here's my license. Here's my.
Can you hand me your license?
I will not hand you my license. I am not required to hand you in your hand my license.
Listen, I'm going to tell you what's going to happen is I'm going to call for a supervisor, and he's going to tell you that you're going to give me your license.
No, sir.
And
I won't.
For the time being, because
with all due respect, sir.
Listen to me.
No, sir.
Yes.
No, sir.
Right,
no, sir.
Step out, please.
No, sir.
Step out.
Excuse me.
Step out, please.
No, sir.
Yes, you're uncooperative.
Can I speak for a second, please?
Yes, I don't want to talk to you. I'll speak to him. Okay. I don't care. You don't.
I need you to step out. Yes.
You'll just have to wait a second.
No, I don't. It's not on your timing. It's on mine.
No, it's not, sir.
United States case law, Pennsylvania versus.
I don't care what that is.
You're going to go to jail for resisting if you don't get out of here.
What am I under arrest for?
Ma'am. You have a supervisor in your house.
What am I under arrest for?
Just hear me out for a second.
I am.
He's asked you to step out of the vehicle. Whether you agree with it or not, that's a lawful command, okay? So, if you step out and comply, we can, wrap this up. It probably would even been a warning. He probably wouldn't even give you whatever he pulled you over for.
Can I say something?
Of course, go ahead. I'll hear you.
He asked for my driver's license. I showed it to him. I know for a fact that I'm not required by law to give it to him in his hand.
So, where's your driver's license currently?
My driver's license is right here.
Okay.
That's my driver's license. I showed it to him.
Okay.
Because I'm driving a motor vehicle, I'm required to show you my license if you ask for it.
Do you mind if I get that?
But I don't have to give it to you. I don't ever hand anybody original documents in their hand.
Okay. Do you mind if I get your license so I can run you?
There it is right there. I'll show it to you. Okay. There's my license right there. There's my name right there. Okay, I'll show it to you, but I don't ever hand it over. I've lost licenses that way.
Okay,
and I don't do that
as soon as you hand
anymore.
it over, I'll give it right back, okay?
Sir, I don't hand.
It's probably just going to be a warning and we'll get you out of here, but you're making this more difficult.
I'm just saying, I don't hand.
Okay.
I don't hand my documents
so
over.
at this point, I'm asking you to step out of the vehicle, okay?
Okay, and I will.
So go ahead and step out right now at this moment, because I've tried the nice approach and now you're not listening.
You don't have permission to touch anything in my vehicle.
Okay.
I need your license.
So go ahead and step out, or I'm going to pull you out of the vehicle at this point.
So listen.
I'm going to step out, but you don't have permission to touch anything in my vehicle.
Can I explain something to you very fast?
What's that?
So listen, I am very knowledgeable in this, okay? If you let me talk, I will let you talk. There's United States case law, Pennsylvania versus Mims. If you are ordered to exit your vehicle on a traffic stop by a law enforcement officer,
I'm going to exit my vehicle.
Okay.
But you don't have permission to touch anything in my vehicle. Nothing.
When my supervisor gets here, I'll be getting your driver's license.
No, you won't, sir. It's in my vehicle.
I'm going to ask you to stand right there on the hood of that vehicle, okay?
From the jump, she played the legal version of hot potato with her license, waving it around like a flag of defiance, but never handing it over. The stop sign was just the pregame. The main event was her firm belief that case law was a shield against reality. Honestly, this was less traffic stop, more law and order misinterpretation unit.
You don't have permission.
Do you have any weapons on your person?
No, I don't.
What?
No, I do not.
Okay.
You don't have permission to touch anything in my vehicle.
Is that your car?
Yes, it is. There's nothing in there.
So, I just want to start fresh here. I feel like we got off on a bad foot. What's your reasoning for not wanting to give your license?
I never hand over original documents to anybody. I carry copy. I don't have the copies with me, but I have paper copies of things that I'll show you, but I will not hand.
Is there a reason?
Yes, because I've lost things that way before.
Okay. You lost them though, not us, right?
I have lost original documents by handing them over before. I will not do that again.
So what's that in his hand right there? There's not original documents?
No, those are papers. I can get more of those. I have more of those.
But they're original documents.
They're copies.
The DMV didn't personally hand you that piece of paper and say, this is your registration.
Yeah, I think that, and that's fine. I can get another one of those, but government issued things like
also
cards.
get another license.
No,
if
I won't
came
do
down
it.
to
No, sir. I know for a fact I'm not required to hand an officer my driver's license. I have to show it to you.
Do you read case law?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Do you know the case law for this?
I don't know it off the top of my head, but I can find it quickly.
Okay.
I'm just saying. I know what my rights are.
100%.
I know I don't.
Yeah, I know your rights too. I'm certified in the state of Florida as an LEO officer. I know rights. I know case law. I know everything.
That's excellent. Because right now,
so I just don't understand.
He's violating my rights right now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Explain to me how.
He's saying, first of all, he lied to me, saying that I have to hand my license over. No, I don't. I don't have to give it to him in his hand. He wants to get
I didn't
mad
ask for your opinion. I asked how your rights are being violated.
I just told you it's not an opinion. It's a fact. That it's okay.
Okay. I'm sorry you feel that way about how whatever you got going on with your original documents, but that's unfortunately not how it goes.
I know what the law is.
Okay. Hey, you know.
I know I don't have
a lot of people do think they know the law, and
I have to show it. I don't have to give it to him in his hand. If they ask for anything of mine, a passport, a driver's license, I'll show you soft copies or I'll show you paper copies. Nobody gets the original.
Okay.
You want to run it? There's the information on my driver's license right there.
Right.
Type it in your computer, run it. But I don't have to give it to you to take back to your car, sit there in front of your computer. No, I don't have to do that.
Okay. That's your opinion.
The deputy did his best impression of calm, but she steamrolled every sentence like it owed her money. Her "no sir" loop could have been a ringtone. And yes, somewhere in that monologue, she declared herself a one-woman legal team. But if you thought the lecture ended there, oh no, the syllabus was just getting warmed up.
Did you pull over often?
No, I don't.
Okay, what did you get pulled over for today?
He's saying that I ran a stop sign or I don't know what he's saying. Okay. He's saying that I rolled through a stop sign. That's what he said.
Okay.
That's fine.
So I still haven't heard anything that would violate your rights. I'm still not tracking on that aspect.
I'll get a lawyer and the lawyer will deal with that.
Okay. Because you're saying your rights were violated because he's saying he has to get your license, right? Is he in possession of your license?
No, but he's threatening me with arrest if I don't hand it to him.
Well, that's not what the arrest threat was for, and he didn't make any threats. He stated that you would be arrested if you didn't step out of the vehicle.
This is all caught on your body cam, so it'll get sorted out.
You would have been arrested if you didn't step out of the vehicle, is what he said.
Okay, well, I'm here right now.
Right, so here we are. You're here. Your rights have not been violated. He doesn't have your license. You can say that for the camera,
but whatever. We'll deal with it in court if we have to. I'm good with it.
100%. You're really good at stating the obvious.
Are we waiting for here?
What do you mean?
What are we waiting for here?
We're detained for the duration of the stop.
Okay,
so my partner's done conducting his business. You're not free to leave. That's
okay, so I'm detained, and you can only detain me for like 20 minutes unless you're going to arrest me.
You were detained since you were stopped, yeah.
Okay, so we're about 15 minutes into it.
I mean, you know that case law too, right?
I don't have to answer that. I'm not going to answer that.
One question.
What is the legal process to get deputized? Because I'm quit, but I also have a schizophrenia diagnosis, but I think it's misdiagnosis. Is there any possible way?
What are you talking about?
What is the legal process of getting
You can
deputized?
go to the sheriff's office and request for application.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right, I won't shake your hand because I'm conducting business, but that's the steps.
Yes, sir.
She claimed she was very knowledgeable in all things legal, like a Wikipedia page with Wi-Fi issues. The logic? If you show a license, you've fulfilled your duty. Apparently, losing a document once gives you lifetime exemption from basic compliance. And as she clutched her laminated lifeline, she explained her philosophy with all the certainty of a podcast host and none of the credentials.
This place is not real sometimes.
Yeah, you can see that again.
He wants to know how to get deputized. He wants to be a law enforcement deputy.
Just like you did, I think.
Sign it.
Deputy Gray, Brown, and Zalak.
Yes, ma'am.
My name's Deputy Shoutout.
And the deputy that pulled you over is Deputy Punsky.
I appreciate that information.
Yes, ma'am.
Does it take that long to run a tag, to run my name? Because that's all he's doing in there. I don't know what else we're waiting for here. Because I need to be on my way. What am I being arrested for? Resisting what? What am I charged with?
Resisting, ma'am.
That's it?
Law enforcement. Yes, ma'am.
Put your hands together like you're praying.
Like you're praying, so it's not. Put them together so they're comfortable. Like, let go of them. Just put them together.
So what's my original charge?
I just told you, resisting obstruction to 13.
If I'm resisting, then I have to be charged with, I have to be arrested for something, and I was resisting
I don't
for
know
that.
who educated you, but that is not even close to correct. Do you have anything on you, any weapons or anything like that?
No?
Yeah, definitely. We're going to
So how was I resisting?
I gave you multiple lawful commands that your vehicle.
And I did.
Can I finish a sentence ever? I give you multiple lawful commands to provide me your driver's license and exit your vehicle, in which you told me no numerous times.
I said no to my driver's license. I exited the vehicle.
Do you have any belongings you would like to take with you, ma'am, to the jail?
Yes.
Where are those belongings?
I'd like to roll up the window to my
We're
vehicle.
towing it, so we're going to be doing an inventory search to make sure there's nothing valuable inside before the tow truck driver gets here.
Okay, well they cannot search my vehicle without my
Listen,
permission.
We don't need your permission because we're towing it and you are placed. Can I speak? Because you are under arrest and we are towing your vehicle, per our policy, we are required to conduct an inventory search of your vehicle to make sure there's nothing of value in there that the tow truck or wherever can ultimately become missing or stolen later. That's why we are required to do an inventory search.
So would you like any belongings to take to the jail? That's going to be the last time I ask. I'm trying to be nice.
You want your phone, your wallet?
Yeah, I'll take my whole. Actually, you know what? Who's gonna do the search of my vehicle? Excuse me, officer. Excuse me, officer. Get out of my vehicle, please.
Inventory searches are routine, but in her eyes, they were a heist. Every officer suddenly became part of some grand criminal syndicate trying to touch her sunglasses. She shouted illegal search like it was a summoning spell, except no one vanished, except her patience.
Excuse me, officer. Get out of my vehicle, please. Actually, leave it in my vehicle. Put my stuff back.
You want to leave everything in?
You don't have permission to go in my vehicle.
She doesn't want to take it.
Put my stuff back.
Okay. Do you have anything on you at all? It doesn't look like you have.
I'm not going to even answer that question again. I've already answered
ma'am,
it.
I'm going to just let you know. If they find anything on your person in
I
jail,
already
it's
know
a
that.
felony.
I know that. Okay, I'm not
That's all I'm going to say. Real quick, I'm going to pat you down with the back of my hand to prevent any type of groping or anything like that, okay?
There's
Just
supposed to
make
be
sure.
a female officer
We
here
do
for
not
that.
have one anywhere near here. So that's why I'm going to pat you with the back of my hand to make sure you have nothing on you sharp. That's all it is. I'm not going into you. Clearly don't have
You guys are really crooked and corrupt.
It's knowledge.
No.
Okay. It's okay to not have knowledge in a certain area. That's why we
Excuse
try
me,
to
you know
educate.
nothing about me.
You're right.
Nothing at all.
You know it. Go ahead and hop in.
Yeah, he needs to get out of my vehicle. He's doing an illegal search of my vehicle.
Ma'am, he's doing
No.
inventory, so when the tow truck comes, you can't claim anything got stolen or taken.
They need to get out of my vehicle.
Okay, well,
I said on your body cam multiple times, they do not have permission to get in my vehicle.
All right, well, you're going to do everything you said. Value here. You can take the back seat. You just make sure there's nothing of value.
Because I don't know if you've done a tow sheet, but you'll see there's a section of, you know, where they want you to put the contents of the vehicle that's getting towed. So, you know, if the...
It fills inside this little ball, but I don't know what it is.
So if the person gets released, they can't say, hey, and this is missing or whatever, because we've notated everything, you know?
I hope you didn't turn that camera off. I hope that you're watching it. I hope that all of that's on. They're conducting an illegal search of my vehicle right now. They are conducting an illegal search of my vehicle right now. I said multiple times they do not have permission to search my vehicle, and they're doing it anyways. This is the most corrupted sheriff's office and officers I have ever encountered in my entire life. It's absolutely disgusting.
You want these sunglasses?
You just conducted an illegal search of my vehicle. I hope
You want
that
these
dash
glasses with you or
cam...
no?
Yeah, I do.
To come with you or the car?
You know what? Put everything in my car. You don't have the right to touch anything in my vehicle. Nothing at all. You people are disgusting. You're absolute crooks. You're disgusting. This is all going to court. Every single bit of it. You people are disgusting.
At one point, she claimed this was the most corrupted sheriff's office she'd ever encountered. Bold, considering how often she mentioned being pulled over before. The insult per minute ratio skyrocketed. No one was spared. Every move they made was crooked, disgusting, or illegal. And the car ride to jail basically turned into an exorcism on wheels.
You're disgusting. You're wrong. You are absolutely corrupt. You guys are corrupt as shit.
All right. Oh, crap. You want this in the car too, right?
You are so corrupt. You just violated my rights like shit. You people are dirty as shit.
I don't know if you learned your rights.
Nah, you're dirty as
I don't know
shit.
if you learned it from like TikTok or something, but that's...
With all due respect, I have family members in this f***ing agency. You people are dirty as shit.
All right. Whatever you say.
Okay? No. Go ahead, close it. I don't want to see your ugly face.
I'm checking. Your name, Christine?
Dirty f***ing ass. I'm not answering any of your questions.
All right. Jinxie moment. Yeah. All right.
You deserve to be on the other side of these bars.
Yes. All right.
That's a freaking bogus ass charge and you fucking know it.
You did it, not me.
No, I didn't do anything. I got out of the fucking vehicle. I got out of the damn vehicle. I don't have to give you my license. I'm not gonna give it to you. I'll show it to you. Type in the information in your fucking computer. Okay? You want to arrest me because I didn't get out of the vehicle the first time you asked me to?
You're correct.
You are fucked up.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, I know I am. Dirty ass.
Have you been arrested before?
I'm not answering any of your questions. I invoke my Fifth Amendment right to remain silent. I want a lawyer.
I know that one. That's good.
Low down, dirty, lying sacks of shit. All of you. Right. And I think you fucking... I don't know how you sleep at night, but you're gonna pay for everything, all of your misdeeds in this life. You're gonna pay for all of them. You're sick as shit.
Commit crime.
I didn't commit a crime. You're the one that's committing a crime. Is that all you got?
No,
You're sick.
that's what you want to hear.
That's all you are sick. You're sick as shit telling me not to commit crimes. I'm a law-abiding citizen. You are a dirty, crooked, corrupted cop. That is what you are. I know damn well I am. Go ahead, smirk and laugh about it. Karma's a bitch. You only got shit else to do around here, do you? Make it seem like you're getting bad criminals off the street. absolutely pathetic. I hope you got those cameras rolling every goddamn second. Piece of garbage shit. Piece of corrupted shit. Go ahead, keep looking over here. Disgusting. Unbelievable.
The woman was truly living a nightmare, hers and everyone else's. She kept running her nasty mouth nonstop, throwing insults at the cop like it was her lifelong dream finally coming true. If entitlement had a face, it'd be hers, front and center, with a smirk and zero self-awareness.
So now, if you don't hand over your license, even if you show it to him, which is your only requirement and obligation, if you don't hand it over to them, they'll get pissed and then they'll make up some charge to arrest you just because you pissed them off. Nice. Yeah. Fuck my van and everything else.
You want to talk to him at all, my supervisor, or no?
Go ahead and take me to the jail so I can get this shit on the road. Yeah, that's right. That's where you said you're taking me, so go get on with it.
Just seeing if you want to talk to my supervisor.
I'll have plenty of time for that. Not in front of your ass. I bet you feel real good about your self.
No, I actually didn't want to arrest you.
Then why did you?
Did you resist?
Because you thought I was being a little bitch? Because I didn't resist shit, so don't fucking lie and say I did. It's all on camera.
You're correct. Absolutely correct.
Good.
You're absolutely
Because I didn't resist shit.
You're right.
When you're trying to arrest somebody and they resist, that's resisting. Yes, true.
Incorrect. I don't know where you got that.
Resisting what? Resisting your freaking order to hand over my license?
Exactly.
No, I don't have to hand you my license. I showed it to you.
Alrighty.
I don't have to give it to you. That's my personal property.
Alrighty.
I'm not gonna give it to you. I didn't even have to have my window rolled down. I could have just held my license up to the glass.
Okay. I guess you didn't see what happened last time someone did that.
Do you think I care? What are you gonna do? Break the glass to my car and rip me out?
Exactly, yeah.
No, we don't live in a fascist country just yet.
You're right.
Not quite yet.
You're correct.
We're almost there.
You're correct. All good? Yep.
Bogus ass charge. You would have arrested me right when I stepped out of my vehicle instead of making me wait 20 minutes. This is such a bullshit.
Everybody does things differently.
Nah, it is bullshit, and you know it. But whatever. Not even gonna try to convince you. You would have slapped the cuffs on me the second I got out of my car. Keep telling yourself that, whatever you have to do.
Everybody does something differently.
No.
I like to make it even more fair and run it by my supervisor
Keep
first.
telling yourself that.
Never wrong, one of those.
Keep telling yourself that. I'm sure they drilled it in you good. Gotta think a little bit about how you're gonna word it, huh?
Ma'am, I'm going to ask you questions before you come in. Are you currently intoxicated? Do you feel like you are?
Nope.
All right. Anything on you that you should not have?
Nope.
All right. If we do find something that you didn't just tell us about, it will be an additional charge, but you said no, so that's good. Do you feel like yourself?
I'm not answering any more questions.
If you don't at least answer that question, we do have to put you in a side smock when you come in, so it would benefit you just to tell us if you are or are not.
No.
Okay. She has quite the attitude.
So do you. I remember you from last time. Cool.
Throughout the jail ride, she wouldn't let go of the narrative. Every question was met with stonewalling, and every officer's word was an opportunity for another emotional TEDx meltdown. Accusations flew, but the reality stayed boring, resisting a lawful command. Still, she swore justice was dead and buried in that minivan. She was transported to the county jail and charged with resisting an officer. Her vehicle was then towed from the scene, and her bond was set at $500. In the end, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's see who stands out the most. The best comment gets pinned. And hey, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so they don't miss out on the fun. And now, here's a challenge for you. On your screen, you're seeing the 4 best playlists. Click on any one, and I promise you won't regret it. You'll definitely enjoy this one. See you next time. Till then, keep watching.